Hello everyone, I'm Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm showing you two new advent calendars from Spellbinders for 2025. I'm a huge fan of advent calendars, and whenever there's a new advent calendar, I'm always the first one to jump in. In this video, I'll show you the two advent calendar boxes from Spellbinders that I haven't yet talked about. I have already shared the Crafty Advent Calendar, or the 13 Days of Craftaween Advent Calendar box from Spellbinders. This one is sold out. It sold out super quickly, like hotcakes. I think it sold out on the same day that it went live. It was super duper popular. This was a box with 13 surprises for Halloween. I do have video tutorials featuring many of those. I didn't do all 13 days, but I did film, I think, 9 or 10 videos featuring the products from this box. So that one was super awesome. And now we have two new boxes. So today, these boxes are available for early access or on early access for Spellbinders Club members. If you are a Spellbinders Club subscriber, you can shop these advent calendars today. If not, they will become available in a few days. As of right now, when I'm filming this video, the date for these advent calendars is September 6th, but dates kind of keep changing, so I'm not sure if that is the final date by the time this video goes live. But for now, that's September 6th, so mark your calendars. We have two advent calendars. We have the Crafty Advent Calendar, and we have the Stitchmas Advent Calendar. And I'll explain the difference between these two. For now, I want to show you the boxes, like show you the size of these so you get an idea of how big these are. So on the top here, we have the Crafty calendar, and here we have the one on the bottom is the Stitchmas calendar. So the Crafty calendar is slightly larger. Now, if I bring the Halloween Advent calendar box, you can see that that one's even smaller. The reason I'm bringing all of these boxes is in case you have some of these, you can compare the size of the boxes. Like that, I like to know what size box I'm going to get. So this is why I'm showing you all of these. This is the Merry Moments card making kit from Spellbinders. This is also for this year. And the size of this box, the Merry Moments box, is, well, pretty much the size as the Crafty Advent Calendar box. The Advent Calendar is just a little bit taller. Although I will say that the Merry Moments is a lot heavier. This feels lighter. Also, if you have the Weekender box, the Weekender is the same size as the Merry Moments and the same size as the Crafty Advent Calendar. So if you have any of these boxes, you kind of have an idea of how big these are. Okay, now let's talk about each calendar. The Crafty Advent Calendar from Spellbinders is pretty much the true Advent Calendar. This one contains 24 crafty surprises, especially for card makers. On the bottom here, it says dies, stamps, stencils, embossing folders, and embellishments. I have done videos featuring the Advent calendars from Spellbinders for the previous 2 years, so you can check those out if you'd like to see what products are included, or to get an idea of what type of products, the size of the products, and all of that. You can check those videos out. I will say that this Advent calendar, it does not contain holiday items or holiday designs, so you will not find any Christmas designs in this box. This is general everyday designs, and the idea is to open each of these windows, each of these boxes, starting December 1st. So come December 1st, you open day number 1, you get a little surprise, and you create with it, and you do so until December 24th. So you have a little gift, a little surprise for yourself every day in December. I'm going to flip this to the back, and on the back we can actually see a few sneak peeks. I really like this about Spellbinders. They do have little sneak peeks for you. Just, it gives you a better idea what can be expected on the inside of the box. I have not seen the contents of the box. I do work for Spellbinders, and I do get early, sneak peeks. I do see a lot of their products, but I have not seen the contents of the Advent Calendar, and I didn't want to see because I want this to be a surprise for myself. Like I said, I love Advent Calendars. I always get an Advent Calendar for myself, for my mom, for my boyfriend, and I think that Advent Calendars make such great gifts because every day in December, you wake up, you open your little door, and you have a little surprise, to jumpstart your day. So I have not seen what's on the inside of these because I want that to be a surprise. But I will say, I see that there's like a lot of postage edge design here. So I kind of suspect we might have postage edge dies included in this box. I don't yet know. We'll see. So first of all, here we can see there's a little stamp set. I can't really read any of the sentiments here. Yeah, I can't read any of those. There's a fun little fish design in a fish tank. There is what looks like a horseshoe die. We have toast dies. There's an embossing folder with like a dotted design. So this looks like fun. Now on the back it says, this delightful Advent calendar contains 24 crafty surprises, including cutting dies, stamps, embossing folders, stencils, and embellishments. Just add paper, inks, and adhesive to create dozens of projects. Cutting dies and embossing folders require manual die cutting machines such as the Spellbinders Platinum 6 or Scout, and those are not included. By the way, last year, I feel like all of the dies fit the Platinum Scout machine. So the smaller die cutting machine. Let me grab mine and show you real quick. I typically use the Spellbinders 6 machine, but you can also, if you have a smaller die cutting machine, maybe you're traveling or something, you want to take your Advent calendar with you, you can also bring your smaller machine. And if I'm not mistaken, this machine is going to be enough to cut to cut all the pieces, cut all of the dies that are included in this Advent calendar. And also, you'll be able to use the embossing folders included. I also like to shake it. Can you hear that? Okay, sounds awesome. I am going to remove the plastic and open the box. I'm not going to open any of the windows, but I want to show you the design on the inside. So let's go ahead and do that. I do plan to film videos with the contents of the box, and I'll start sharing those on December 1st. Let's take a look. Oh gosh, this is so beautiful. It looks even prettier than here. I think this looks pretty, but then when I open it, it's such a treat for the eyes. All those flowers, all of these designs are just absolutely stunning. Wow, gorgeous. Okay, can't wait for December 1st so that I can start opening this. So I'm going to set this one aside for now. And now let's talk about the 12 Days of Stitchmas Advent Calendar. So this is another type of Advent Calendar from Spellbinders, also very popular. And this one, unlike the Crafty Advent Calendar, this one contains holiday designs. So all 12 products, and all of these are going to be dies. These are stitching dies. So if you enjoy stitching, if you enjoy stitching on paper, these are going to be perfect. The idea behind this Advent calendar is to have 12 different designs, and you can use those to create ornaments for your Christmas tree. Of course, you can use those products beyond that. You can use them on cards, gift tags, whatnot. But the general idea is so that you can create ornaments for the Christmas tree. The plan for this Advent calendar is also to open it before December, so you can start opening. I mean, you can open your Advent calendars whenever you want, but the idea for the Crafty Advent Calendar, the one that I just showed you, is to start opening that one on December 1st. This one you can start opening sooner. Spellbinders has a schedule to share sneaks or to share the contents, and I believe those start on September 23rd. So you'll see the spoiler video for day 1 on September 23rd on the Spellbinders YouTube channel. and then they're going to continue showing spoilers until October 4th. So there are 12 dies, not 24 like in the other calendar, but 12, and all of these are stitching. Let's flip to the back, and as always, we can see some sneak peeks, and oh my goodness, that is just wow. I love those vintage illustrations. I wish we could have dies like that. Oh my. Or, you know, stencils or something so we could create cards like that. That is just so beautiful. Okay. On the back, it says cutting dies require a manual die cutting machine, obviously, such as the Platinum or a Platinum 6 or Platinum Scout. If memory serves me right, I believe some of these dies are slightly larger, so I'm not sure if all of these will fit in Platinum Scout, but I do not remember exactly. We do see some sneak peeks here. There's pudding, and there's a nutcracker. Those are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Now, last year, if you're not new to the Spellbinders Advent Calendar, last year and the year before, Spellbinders had a stitch-along kit available with papers and thread and a needle minder and some other little tidbits. This year, that is not available, so you can purchase just the 12 days of stitching Advent Calendar, and then you can use the floss and all the other products that you will need for these cards from your stash. Okay, let's shake it. Ah, love it, love it. I am going to open this one as well. I won't show you any of the contents, but I do want to open it and peek inside. Okay. Ta-da-da! Oh, so pretty. Yes, these illustrations are just stunning. Now, all of these windows, and the same here in the Crafty Advent Calendar, all of these windows are perforated, and then there's like a little slit for your finger to make it easier for you to open these. Here, see, you can see that. So you can kind of easily open these, you know, each window or each door and pull the product that's on the inside. I'm thinking that these can also be reused because these are so pretty. You know, maybe these can be cut out using like a rectangle die or something and used to make little gift tags or something like that. Super, super pretty. So this is a look at the Advent calendars for 2025 from Spellbinders. I am super excited to start using those. You can find links to these products in the video description below. If you are looking for a crafty gift for yourself, I cannot recommend these enough. These are fantastic. These also make a great gift for a crafty friend, or you know, maybe you have somebody who wants to start crafting but doesn't know where to start. If they have a die cutting machine, the Crafty Advent Calendar is going to make a fantastic gift for that person. The 13 days of Craftoween Advent Calendar sold out super quickly. I'm not sure how quickly these are going to sell out, but if you have your eye on these Advent calendars, you might want to add them to cart right away. Okay, that's it for me for today. Thanks for joining me. Love you guys, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.